I've been looking for you. Trish said you got stage fright. Have you been wandering around all this time? Oh, sweetheart. Look, nerves are normal. They shouldn't stop you doing what you love, especially since you're so good.
Trish doesn't think so.
That's not true. She was gutted when you missed your solo.
She's the one who said if she let me perform, it would ruin the opening.
She pulled your routine.
Who does she think she is? Does it matter?
Yes, it does. What? Go home, choose a film, and when I get back, I'll dig out my expensive face masks.
Where are you going?
Won't be long.
Do you approve?
I'd rather see it on the floor, though.
Ugh, gross.
Is there anything you don't look good in?
No. So, barman, what cocktail are you gonna make to impress me with? You eyeing up my dress already?
It is really nice.
Yeah, I know. And once I win Dee Valley's Businesswoman of the Year, I will have the whole package.
Maybe you are the whole package.
On that note, why don't you come upstairs and unwrap me?
Okay.
I thought all the abuse might have made her pull out of this businesswoman thing.
Oh, a couple of comments are going to bring Nurse down.
They have pretty vivid imaginations. Keep dreaming of that sexy freckle on her inner right thigh.
You are?
I mean, that is so precise. Where do they come up with it?
Who wrote that?
That warrior wings forever. Like you said, they're all fantasies.
You were right.
My 3 favourite words. Do you want a drink?
It wasn't you. He turned up at the hospital.
You've lost me.
The guy who robbed the garage. He was outside my room and he was wearing this clown mask and he shushed me. He must have waited and followed me there.
I thought they looked pretty nasty. Take a seat.
What if he's still watching?
They're not going to do anything to you whilst you're with me. So you haven't been to the police yet?
I came straight here.
Oh, that's probably the best. They've tracked you down once already. It's not going to be hard for them to find out your work address or Minnie's school.
But why would they do that?
I just think it's best to keep quiet and do what they say.
So you're just gonna let them get away with robbing the garage? I mean, once upon a time you'd have been out for blood.
Yeah, well, I've got to think about the twins these days.
He must miss them.
Yeah, I'm making a plan to get them back. The right way. I've hired a lawyer.
I'm sorry for what I said before. I shouldn't have accused you of being involved.
It's not like I haven't done my fair share of dodgy stuff, is it?
Tell me about it. Although I do think the twins have softened you up a bit.
Did the doctor say you had concussion? Because that was almost a compliment.
All right, pal, don't get used to it. But I should go.
You're doing the right thing, you know. Keeping quiet. You don't want to provoke them.
Actually, I'm still gonna go. Well, you said you need to look out for the twins, and I need to look out for Minnie. I've spent years letting men bully me into staying quiet, and I said that she'll never have to see that again, so I'm gonna speak up.
I can't let you do that. Max, you don't know what these people are capable of.
Almost sounded like you cared.
Yeah, well, we've got history together. You were carrying my baby once.
For a little time.
There are better ways to teach Minnie to stand up for herself. Unless you want to spend every day looking over your shoulder.
Maybe you're right.
Twice in one day. I'm on a roll. Let me make you a drink.
The doctor said no alcohol.
Tea it is, then. And you are not leaving here till I know you're not going to make any rash decisions. All right?
You know, my wee granny wouldn't go anywhere without a bag of boiled sweets. She had pockets full of them when she died.
I feel so bad lying to Sally. She only let me have the time off because she thinks I'm going alone.
Anything to get you away from me, eh?
No, she just thinks I need to work on myself.
Well, no arguments there.
Which is why I've decided to lay off the booze while we're away. I really do want to be a good boyfriend.
There you go, then. You're doing exactly what you told her you would.
She'd still be fuming.
Are you going to be like this the entire time? Because if you don't want to go away with me, you can just say...
No, I'm sorry. There is nothing I want more than to be sat in a hot tub with you in those tiny blue trunks that I saw you put in your bag, okay?
Good. Because there's nothing that I want more than to spend an entire week alone with you. In fact, I'd be quite happy if I didn't see anyone else for the rest of my life.
Me neither.
You got 5 minutes.
Thank you so much for agreeing to meet me.
4 minutes 45.
Okay. I should have stayed away.
I told you. I told you not to go through with it, and you did it anyway.
Warren needed me. What could I do? Look, we're brothers. We grew up in the same home. I couldn't just turn my back on him.
You managed it okay with your own family.
Hi guys, you ready to order?
Could you give us a minute, please, bro?
Yeah. Just to let you know, we're all out of duck. We do have the Stilton pie, the lemon chicken, and the spicy chili pepper, which is very good aphrodisiac. I'll come back.
It was one job. I hated it. I never want to go back down that road again.
You know what? You should be having this conversation with Grace.
I'm not a bad person. You know that.
Why do you even care what I think?
We stole some laptops so that Warren could afford to fight back for his kids. Tell me you wouldn't do the same if it was ours. No one was hurt. Our family has been separated for years. I don't want that again. Martine.
Don't you ever lie to me again. Do you hear me?
I won't.
I'm glad you've decided to finally come and help out. I've got no idea where Brad's... Oh, thought you were Maxine.
Why didn't you tell me you'd pulled Leah solo?
I'm afraid we're closed.
I've just found her crying her eyes out because of what you said to her. She's been working day and night on that routine and you just dropped her.
She wasn't good enough, so she didn't perform.
That's your answer?
Courtney, in order to be a successful dancer, you have to be able to accept criticism. If Leah can't do that, then I suggest you enroll her in something more suitable, like netball. They take anyone.
It's a teacher's job to lift their students up, not squash them.
It's my job to make sure that a student doesn't waste their talent. And if that means upsetting them from time to time, then so be it. What is it you want?
Extra tuition for Leah. Free, of course. You clearly think she's got something, so work with her.
Talent isn't enough.
I'm sure Sally would love to know how you've been upsetting her students. It's up to you.
Tell Leah to come and see me tomorrow.
And I'll be checking in with her. So make sure you play nice.
Make sure you lock the door. You remember what happened with John Paul last time?
Have you cheated on me?
That's not usually how we get in the mood.
I want the truth.
No, I haven't. Why are you even asking me that?
I can't stop thinking about the freckle on the inside of your thigh. Someone wrote that about you.
I thought we agreed not to read the comments.
Yeah, but how would someone know that about you?
I don't know.
Yeah, they wouldn't unless they'd been with you intimately.
Well, it's got to be an ex then.
All your exes are dead.
Well, they're not, but thanks for reminding me.
I can't do this again. I managed to get over Liam and the sex tape with Warren.
We weren't even together.
Yeah, but it's still out there for everyone to see, everyone watching you.
Yeah, and that's exactly where they probably saw the stupid freckle in the first place.
It isn't. I've memorized that video frame by frame. Unless it's Warren.
He didn't even know how to use a computer. Look, we are in the best place that we have been in ages right now. You even said 20 minutes ago that them comments were a load of rubbish.
I want to believe you so bad.
I know I've made mistakes in the past, but we have got through that, or I thought we had. Silver, This is one stupid comment out of how many?
Yeah, but it's not just one comment, is it? The whole village is talking about you.
Oh no, don't stop there. Come on, enlighten me. What exactly is the whole village saying?
They think you're a slut.
And you think that too? Get out. I said, get out!
Whoop! Now that was a surprise. You certainly know how to work that sling. Right, I'm gonna go for a shower. Then I'm taking you out for dinner.
Trish, owner of the Trish Miniver School of Dance, proves that even women of a certain age can achieve their dreams.